up, my beautiful people? You are welcome back to my channel. Alright, so I'm going to be making a review today on a particular gel, very affordable, and it does the job for you, and also it does extra like, of course. Anyways, if you do love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and also share the video for your friends and your family members to see. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So I'm gonna be making a review on Clear Tone gel and cream. So this is, hold on, this is the cream, Clear Tone cream, and this is the gel, Clear Tone gel. This is a very affordable bleaching tube. Okay, let me bring them out so you guys can see if you've actually not seen Clear Tone, gel the way it does look. Let me bring it out so you can see. So this is how the cream looks like. It is actually smaller than the gel. This is how it looks like, and this is how the gel looks like. It is longer and much, with more contents than the cream, and it does the job like 2 times faster, or if not 4 times faster than this one. Okay, now this is a bleaching gel. It is a bleaching cream. It would bleach up your skin, whiten up your skin, tone up your skin, brighten up your skin, and all of that stuff. Okay, now I kind of bring to your knowledge different kinds of gel and how effective this gel are on the skin, and also to warn you if you're to use it or if you're not to use it. All right, of course, not like if you're not to use it, you can as well use it. Okay, people can use things with precaution, right? Yeah, people can use things with a little caution, right? Yeah, so that is just it. Okay, so the things that this tube really bleaches the skin, like you can apply it today and tomorrow you're already getting fair. If you're dark, you're already getting like ebony brown, and from brown you'll be going lighter, and from there you'll be going lighter. But one thing I know that things that actually lotion or cream or gel that actually does whiten up your skin instantly, it would also kill your skin instantly. There is no two ways about that. Basically, I've used so many cream, and I have called myself and I have advised myself, okay, and that is why I'm like, okay, let me kind of make a review and show you guys like this different types of cream and all of that, so you guys can be be warned. They say before one is to before harm. Okay, so if you don't get to experience what I experienced, like sunburn, pimples, pigmentation, all of that, it is really good, because you're actually getting knowledge, and knowledge is power. And if you have knowledge, you will be like, oh, okay, let me call myself to caution and be like, okay, no, you shouldn't use that. Okay, so that's the basic reason for making all this review on gel, on all of that. I am in no way saying that please bleach your skin. No, that is not what I'm saying. I am bringing it to your knowledge so you guys can know it. Okay, because knowledge is good. All right, so the thing is that it does bleach the skin and whiten up the skin, but of course if you're using this kind of cream, it would also give you pigmentation, dark spots. There is tendency that it will give you stretch marks. Okay, I had my stretch mark coming out on my skin because then, you know, I used to have this ojukokoro. If you're a Yoruba person, you will understand what ojukokoro means. Ojukokoro means like big eye. I want to use something that adult is using, you know. Then I was using my cousin's product, you know, and it was giving me stretch marks on my boobs, my buttocks, a lot of them, and on my leg, although not on my hands. Well, my skin was a little good then, otherwise it would have really destroyed my skin. But of course, I've been able to use some natural ingredients to like tackle the stretch mark, because stretch mark is one thing you have to bear it for like 2 years or 1 year if you want to, you know, apply something and be patient for it to go. Okay, so it's not something you should just let it come to your skin and you suffer that for 2 years because of just something of like, let's say 200 naira or 300 naira. Come on. No, you shouldn't do that. So it therefore means that you shouldn't, you know, use a product that would give you that instant whitening process, and then you now have the injury of your life, or injury of like 3 years or 2 years or 1 year of your life. It does not worth it, baby boy and baby girl. All right, okay, so that's it, guys. If you want to use the clear tone, it is really good. Like, it is fast action, just as the name denotes. You can see it here, it says fast action. You can see that. Okay, like the action is really fast. Okay, it bleaches the skin, but yeah, people still use it, and they use it with caution. You can actually mix it with your cream, okay, to dilute the strength or the power or the too much effect. Okay, by that way it's just going to dilute it a little bit. All right, then you can also add up oil. Yes, that's the secret. You can add up even baby oil in your cream. In that particular cream you use this tube. Okay, if you add up baby oil, like a PS oil, I have a PS oil here that I use so much. Okay, so you just add much of it. It will actually kill the power that it would, you know, bleach your skin that much. So it's going to give you this gradual process when you add up oil and mix it with a much cream. So that's the only way you can use cream like this, and it will be good at some point, of course, because of course at the long run it might end up not being good. Okay, but that notwithstanding, it is a choice, baby. You can use it or not to use it, but it's good. It does the job it's supposed to do, which is to whiten up your skin, because it will whiten up your skin like really crazy and mad. All right, and also it does its extra, just like I said in the beginning of the video. Okay, so invariably it whitens up your skin and whitens it extra. All right, so definitely we don't want that. I don't want that, baby. I don't want that at all. Okay, and I think that you too shouldn't want that. Okay, so that's basically it for this review. So if you do find the video interesting and helpful, I think you can get this online. Yeah, Cleartone. If you Google Cleartone, you would see it everywhere. It's not like an Eden kind of cream, although it's not like very popular, but it has been there for many years. Okay, so you can get it online on Amazon, on any online shop. If you're in Nigeria, you can get it on Konga Gigi, and also you can get it in your nearby shop. Just go there and, you know, ask for Cleartone. That is the name, Cleartone. Okay, so that's it, and I'm sure you're gonna get it. All right, if you want to buy it. But there are other tube that I kind of recommend for you to use, that I've done a review on, which is on my channel. All right, you can check that video out, and those ones are going to be very friendly. It takes a little time, you know, it takes a gradual kind of process for for the tube to start whitening up your skin. Okay, it's not like an instant whitening thing. No, it's not like an instant whitening thing. It will take time, little time and all of that, but it's gonna be good at the end of the day. Okay, you know, compared to the one that will just give you an instant whitening process and it will also damage your skin. You wouldn't want that, right? Okay there, so that will be it for today and for this review. If you do enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's if you are new. And also don't forget to share the video for your friends and family if you deem fit. Alright, if you love my face, and I'll see you soon in my next video. And don't forget this. Peace.